Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing the car and removing power to prevent shocks. Disconnect the negative battery terminal now. Once done, clear debris from the bumper seams and fold wheel wells for access. Use the 10mm and 13mm sockets to remove top clips and visible screws. Do this methodically, left to right. Make sure to keep hardware organized in labeled trays so reassembly is simple. You'll need those exact bolts later, so don't mix them up. Next, you remove the inner fender liners to expose the hidden mounts and lower hardware. Once exposed, unclip any wiring harnesses for parking sensors and fog lights. Press the locking tabs and slide connectors straight out to avoid damage. Support the bumper with a padded stand or have an assistant hold it, then remove the lower bolts and retainers. You'll feel less resistance when the bumper is free from clips, so work the panel gently, levering only where necessary to avoid cracking the plastic. Now slide the bumper forward slightly to disengage the side tabs, then lift it off the mounts while someone steadies it. Watch for any remaining connectors and detach them now. Once removed, inspect all mounting points, clips, and foam absorbers for cracks. Replace damaged pieces before reinstallation to ensure fit and safety. If a sensor fails after reassembly, check the connector orientation and pin continuity first. Faulty clips or misaligned tabs are the usual culprits, so verify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.